Hey, it's Chris Duncan here. And if you're watching this, you're obviously interested in working with William Whitecloud. And I really can't recommend anyone more highly than William. His impact on my life, my wife's life, my team's life has been incredible. And honestly, without William's insight into intuition and the creative process, most of the programs and courses I have wouldn't have the shape that they have today. So I'm very, very, very grateful to call William a mentor, a friend, a coach, and someone that I really look up to in this field, in this work. So if you're watching this, you're obviously at least half interested in joining his programs. And I just want to say he won't let you down. His work is cutting edge. It's next level. I've done them. You should do them. And living intuitively, living creatively, it's the way we're supposed to be. And so take the course, trust me, trust him, go all in, because the only thing that you'll miss out on is time. If you don't take it now, you have to take it later, but the time between now and then will disappear. Get this education now. Education has to be one of the best investments you can ever make, because once you get that education, you learn it again and again and again. And if you're watching this, you're in the right place with my brother, William Whitecloud, who will do a great job. All his trainings are amazing. I've taken them all, and yeah, you should too. Bye now.